If you want to take your business to the next level, make more money, and work less, then here are 3 tips that are going to allow you to do that. The first tip is that you have to have a PMS system that has a robust guest communication system in it. And more importantly, that it either has it as part of it or allows you to integrate AI. If you're not using AI, you are definitely missing out and you're falling behind the times because it's going to be critical in the future. Number 2 is making sure that you have a good pricing software. Can't express this enough. Having a pricing software is going to allow you to stay competitive and more importantly is going to allow you to maximize your revenue in the long run. Number 3, and this one's going to be also as important as adapting to AI, is making sure that you're using technology to your benefit. What do I mean by technology? Making sure you have a smart lock that you can program and create codes for remotely. Number 2, that your Nest or your AC or HVAC system you can operate remotely, making sure that you can operate your camera system or your security system remotely. Just overall, making sure that you're using technology to your advantage. If you want to learn more on how to maximize your profits while working less, then subscribe to this channel.